Hi everyone, this is Dim Tutorials and today I will show you how to create a Binance account. Before I start the video, I just wanted to ask you to subscribe to support the channel and click on the bell to receive notifications of my newest uploads. Now let's get back to the video. If you wish to create an account, simply go to Register. In here, put an email and a password. Put in the verification code sent to your email. Click on Go to Dashboard. Choose a two-step verification method and set it up. After you're done with that, go to Deposit. Select your currency and click Continue. It will ask for you to verify your account. I recommend you do that so that way you can use all of Binance's features. Click on Verify Now. Put your information and click on Continue. Click OK. Now you can start trading cryptos, but if you want to increase your daily limit, I recommend you complete the intermediate verification. To do this, go to your avatar and click on your email. Click on Verify. If you complete the intermediate verification, you can trade up to $50,000 worth of cryptos every day. Keep in mind that this will require you to upload your ID document as well as a facial verification and can take as long as 10 days to Binance to review and approve your documents. If you wish to start this verification, click on Verify Now. Choose the type of document you wish to upload. Upload your document and click on Continue. Now you have to upload a photo of yourself. Keep in mind all these important notes. After you upload the photo, click on Continue again. Finally, you have to take a selfie. I recommend using your phone to do that. Once you finish the step, all your information will be sent to review, so you have to wait for the approval. If you wish to do the advanced verification, you can do that as well after intermediate verification is approved. You will only have to upload a proof of address to do that. If you wish to deposit money in your Binance account, go to your dashboard. Click on Deposit. Select your currency and click on Continue. Fill with your information. Choose the amount you want to deposit and click Confirm. Use the information shown here to complete your deposit. After the money is in your wallet, you can buy some cryptos. To do that, go to Trade and click on Advanced. This is the trading view. This is the graph where you can see the coin's activities. And this is where you can buy and sell them. In here you can choose the pair you wish to negotiate. In fiat, choose preferably the currency you'll deposit to see the coins available to buy with it. Mine is BRL, so I'll choose that. If I want to buy, for example, ADA, which is the Cardano token, I'll click here. Now I can see its movements and buy it if I wish. In here I can choose the price I want to buy the coin. And in here I can choose the amount of money I will spend buying the coin. For example, if I buy 1000 BRL of ADA at 8.49 price, I will end up buying 117.74 ADA coins. If I click on buy ADA, an order will be created and you'll be able to see it here. Once somebody sells its coin for the price you want to buy it, the order will be completed and you will have bought some of the coins. Now if you wish to sell them, simply click on Sell. Select the price you wish to sell them. Choose the amount of coins or the value of them based on your currency to sell. Click on Sell ADA. Now the order is created and you have to wait for somebody to buy your coins. After you sell your coins, the money will be available in your wallet and you can withdraw it or buy another coin. If you wish to withdraw the money available in your wallet, click on Withdraw. Choose the currency and the amount you wish to withdraw. Put your bank information and click on Continue. Now wait for the withdrawal to be completed. If this video helped you in any way, consider subscribing, liking and sharing this video. Thank you for your time and see you again soon.